positive, I don't know. Maybe the market for the last 2 years, market was growing up with new COBUS solutions, because most of the products we sell are based on the COBUS products, and we have a lot of new customers from the furniture industry, most of the time using the new solution from nesting, COBUS nesting. We have a lot of customers for fronts manufacturing, so the doors for the cabinets. I think can be few things. First, we deal with in Poland with lack of people for working. So from our perspective, we should have some kind of solutions that, yeah, badly speaking, should avoid people, and making much more automatization for customers. So this is mainly what should be, what I think would be in the future. We are the dealer in Poland for, I think, 15 years already. So when after my studies, when I hired at the first work, I just came to a company which was already a COBUS dealer. So whole my career I deal with COBUS, and I hope it will not end in near future.